Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Lizards. Losers become winners. I almost said lizards. Yes, okay. It's an exciting day, and I'll show you why. Because CPRT got bases loaded. Yeah, let's go look at that chart. There it is. There it is, right there at the close of that candle, and I've got him pretty close to show you. 1350. Owes 998. Now, how do we determine this? Well, the way we would determine it is we're going to do is we have our closing price, which was 97.24, 97.21, I'm sorry, minus the exit. Now, what's the exit? The exit is the low plus my formula for my buffer, and it comes out to 96.40. So 96.40. That means it's going to be an 80 cents drop, 81 cents drop. Now, figuring out the option. The option closed at 675. You can see it right there. That's what mark stands for. It should be market. Thinkorswim was a little bit cheap. They couldn't pay for 2 extra pixels for 2 extra characters. Whatever. All right, moving over to the trade. Now we need to get the delta. The delta for this stock and this option that we have is 61. So now we'll come back to our calculator. Now, delta is the rate of travel of the option in relation to the stock. Repeat that one more time. The delta is the rate of travel based off the movement of the stock. So the stock moves $1. The option is going to move 61 cents. $1 delta 61. That's how it's worked out. So if there's a $10 move on a stock, that means the option is going to move $6.10. It's very simple multiplications. So we're going to take this times the 81 cents that we're looking at. That's the distance between the close here, which represents the 1350 back here, to the 96.40 that I've calculated that I'll take as an exit, and it comes out to 49 cents. We closed at $6.75. So make that a negative 6.75, and the option should be worth about $6.25 here at the bottom. That's what this whole calculation is about. Take 66.25, and I have 5 contracts in play. Oh, messed up there. I'll just go ahead and change. I know it was 6.25. 5 contracts. Remember, 5 contracts times 100, because we're looking at shares, and every contract is 100 shares in the option arena. That comes out to not correct. What did I do wrong? Oh, that's the gross. Right, this is profit. Okay, the gross return should be about 3,000. Now, we have to minus the cost of this option. Cost of this option was about 2,025. So 5 times $4, 400, so that's 2,000 minus $25. We should have a net of $1,100. $1,100 net minus the $988 that's owed. We should have a net profit to the winner's circle. The winner's circle at 112. We get back our $998 that we had lost in prior trades, and CPRT is retired to the winner's circle. That's how we designate that we have a bases loaded. Any out will do. We should be able to have a nice buffer, 112, and get back our 998. All right, that's it for Copart. So let's move on now on to XLV. Now, XLV is going to be a surprise, and here's why. Here is why. Oh, don't do that. Okay, guys. This is beautiful. This is what trading is about. Recall, we have been chasing LIFS since September. This is a dead stock that went belly up on me and owed me originally $242 with a penny stock trade many years ago. Yeah, right. It owed me money because it was and I even have, when this closes out, I have a surprise for you guys. So what happened now was that it was a stock involved in life sciences, so it's charged off against the ETF of health, XLB. Now, why did we do 9 contracts when we only had $3 to get back? Yeah, we could play one contract, got the $3 walk away, but no, that's not the point. You're here to make money. Yeah, we're here to get back our lost money, but we're also here to make money, make profit. So I have a calculator that I have, a spreadsheet that I laid out, and I input my data, and it came and says you can do 9 contracts. And because I got a C up rating from one of my other softwares, the end result was that I qualify for a Kelly rule. Now, what's a Kelly rule? My members know what a Kelly rule is. You guys can go look it up. Go to Investopedia, look up Kelly, and it will tell you all about the Kelly rule. So I applied the Kelly rule, and I got 9 contracts. Now, here's the beauty of this. We're only after $3, correct? But look what we're standing on. $468 profit, minus $3 for the owed, minus about $12 in commission because it's $1.35 times 9. So do the numbers. Should be somewhere around $12. I still walk away with a pretty penny of a couple of few $100 profit. Not because I did my work. I didn't base it off the 3. Now, next problem is we still have the exit rule at 16%. Now, is this a basis loaded? Yeah, you can call it that, based off what we just saw earlier. But we are in profit zone, so I'm going to my profit zone exit right there. So this here is coming in at my lower value. Okay, I see it. This is going to become 1.85. It's going to get changed to green to show that it's a winner. I'm going to move the date out to the 17th so the line can keep going forward and doesn't get buried in the future candlesticks when we make money, make movement. And there it is. There's my stop. Now, we're not done yet. Remember, guys, this is an amateur's mistake. You change the marker and then you walk away and say, well, how come it didn't trigger? Well, they didn't change the order ticket. Look, the order ticket's at $99.90. So we're going to come here now and we're going to change this to what I call the profit zone, PZ, exit, and it's 101 point, and I forgot, this is why I do this stuff, 85. Okay, now my journal's up to date. This is my journal. Oh, and I forgot to do one more thing. I need to highlight it. Why? Because I'm going to add it to my order list. Okay, so now we'll go and change the order. This is absolutely imperative. You can forget your notes. You can forget the data box. No student uses the data box. None of my members use the data box. They like me seeing it, but they don't like doing it because it's a lot of work. And I don't blame them. They keep it very simple. They write in their account, what strategy, they put in the rating, they put in the cost, and then they're done. That's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up this order because it's running late. I'm very excited to see both of these come out, and there it is, order open, and there, and 101.85. There's my notes, and send it. Done. We are now looking at about $450 profit $450 profit, chasing $3 because we use the trading plan. I'm trying to get that across to you guys. Stick to your trading plan. Well, it's $3. I only do one contract. It's only going to cost me. It's only going to cost me at the time. This contract only cost $318. Yeah, but you lose. Look at the opportunity you lose if you're when calling it correctly. The money owed is just to keep you focused and disciplined to get the job done. All right, Apollo fell down to a minus. Fell into negative territory. We're not going to bother. Let's go over to the Tigers account and check them out. And where are our Tigers? Right there. Oh, look at this. Coca-Cola is still holding at 120. So I would suspect that we're not going to have much of a change there. Oh, maybe not. Let's see what the text comes up to be. And DIA. Oh, look, DIA went into positive territory. That's good. So now the Tigers are turning around. I remember I mentioned it before. I wrote it out the other day on the video, in the dialogue comments box. Tigers are really suffering. I mean, they're like, bleeding, can't stop the bleeding. Turn on the tourniquet, do something. Okay, so here's the deal. Coke is in positive territory. Our stop is going to be moving here now to one of our middle lines of, and that's going to be right there on at that point. That's my black value line, and my black value line is coming in at 55.30. Oh, there's 55.30, and let me see. Have I changed? Yes, 55.30. I did the order change already. So that's it. Coke is in good territory. So let's go over to DIA because DIA was in negative territory a couple of days ago. So let's see what's happening over there. And come on. Oh, this is sometimes so annoying. But the bottom line is you can see that losers do become winners. Where the Tigers are only 20 loss leaders. There they are. Okay, so we are in positive territory. That means we have a move up. Yes, we have a move up. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little closer. And Tigers are right there. There's a Tigers note. Uh-oh. Oh, trying to rush through this and we're running out of time here. Okay, the Tigers only have 20 loss leaders. They owe 287 from DIA. There's $60 to the good. We're going to move it here to this value line. And the value line is coming in at, oh, come on, Gregory, think. 287.70. 287.70. Come here to the price level. 287.80. Change it to green. Come here and mark it off here as a PZ. It's in the price zone. That's to let you know that you are now in price zone rules. We're going to move the marker out so that it doesn't get crowded by the candlesticks. And there it is. Remember now, we only changed the marker. We didn't change the dialog box. Come down here to the dialog box and come here and change this to the black exit. And there, and then highlight this for the order ticket because that is where it counts. I like keeping my notes pretty much everywhere because if something gets lost, I can always retrieve it in one way or another. So I'll come over here now and we're going to mark this off 287.80. Bingo. Confirm. Go to the confirm window, drop in my text on my box and send it. Boom. And there we are. And confirm it. 287.80, 287.80. There we are. That's it. So the accounts are turning around. We're hoping, not hoping, we are planning that at the end of the year, the Tigers will have shed their 20 losses down to that means that this happens, I'll be sitting on a very pretty penny of recouping my losses. Remember, this is all about what? This is all about this. Losers become winners. You'll lose a trade here and there, but at the end of the day, at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, at the end of the year, stick to the rules, stick to your trading plan, and win back your money. And then some, as you saw. All right, guys, that's it for today. Catch you tomorrow. Thank you very much for stopping by. Bye-bye.